Today we are going to learn how to make weather doodles. So first, let's make some fluffy clouds. Now we'll try another type of cloud with a lightning strike. So that's how you make a lightning strike. And now we'll make some fluffy clouds with rainbow. Next, let's make some rainy clouds. And now a thunderstorm. Now let's make a cute sunny day. Now we'll add some cute faces to all of these doodles. And now we'll take some crayons and try filling these cute doodles very lightly. So first I'm filling the rainbow doodle. And now the lightning. Take a grey or black crayon and fill the clouds very lightly to give a very light shade of grey in the clouds. Blue green droplets. Now let's fill the blue crayon very lightly into the fluffy clouds. So you see, I'm going around the strokes to make the clouds look more fluffy. And there we are with the cute weather doodles. Hope you enjoyed it.